All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Vechain update for you all. Over the last few updates, we actually spoke about this double bottom over here, how it could actually just be a retest if this is truly bearish, but if it's actually bullish, then we need to go ahead and reclaim this level over here. I did previously have a box signaling that this over here is still part of the golden pocket. As we can see that we didn't exactly hold the 618 over there. We set a level a little bit below. And yeah, this is that level over here, and we can see that it was actually resistance at some point with the double bottom. We actually spoke about this smaller one over here and how this one could just be a retest, and of course it ended up being that. And then we failed to lose the lowest support over here on one occasion, and a second occasion, look at that retest right there. So even a smaller double bottom right there, and we formed this larger one over here and actually reclaimed that level to the left. So this is all positive work from Vechain, but we saw this rally up because Bitcoin was rallying up. And please go ahead and keep up to date with my Bitcoin videos. I can't urge you guys enough, and not enough of you are actually listening, but it's so vital. This is why we saw Vechain pump into a key level of resistance, the daily 55 EMA. I've already spoken about the 200 over here, how we need to really get above that. And if we're not, any pumps at the moment could just be bull traps. Look, we've just run into the 55. If we lose this ascending triangle support, which I left you guys off with in the last update, then we're back inside the pattern. The pattern is bullish, but if you're breaking back inside of it, it means that the breakout was not really like a valid, it didn't really work. So if we're breaking back down into it, then there's chances we actually could go lower. You can get another retest and try and break out again, forming another double bottom over here, but it's important now to hold this ascending support. So I will actually draw it out for you. If this is lost, then yeah, we're back down to the technically speaking, you do have that last wick, so there is that somewhat of a support over here. So you could lose this, come down to there, come back in and do something like that, but most of the time you lose the ascending line, we're meant to continue with this downtrend lower. Again, when you lose this golden pocket area over here, technically speaking, you're meant to retrace all the way back down to where you started. So a full 100% retracement, that's what the 1 fib level means. And so yeah, that is when we actually lose the golden pocket, which we have over here, confirm it as resistance. So that would suggest that if that were to be the case, where we return and do a 100% retracement, this would be a failed double bottom that's just pumping into the moving averages, the 55 daily, simply because it's going to fail, simply because the 200 EMA is over here. This is theoretical talk. I'm not actually saying this is going to happen, but theoretically, from a technical aspect, the pump at the moment should just be a bull trap because we are beneath this. Make sure you check out my Bitcoin video. There's more to it than what I'm just saying over here. It's so vital. Bitcoin was at resistance, it started dumping because resistance is a top, same as this is a resistance, so it should start dumping from here. But if it holds the key levels of support, and that's the double bottom neckline right here, or even come down to here and we break out again, this is still okay, guys. It's just about losing this low over here, 1.85 cent, and this ascending support over here. So just go on your chart, draw a point through that wick and this wick, and it's just extend it and draw a horizontal line over here. You lose both of them, you know we're coming down lower. Okay, until then you're still broken out of this double bottom. We're still technically holding it support. I can get you target to the upside. I think I did say just take it to the 55, but yeah, I do remember it actually being higher than that. But yeah, wherever the 55 is, that is acting as our second layer of defense, so we want to use that as a resistance, and this is deciding the trend over here. So this essentially, what it's saying is that although we're seeing this bullish pattern and we're breaking out and we came to the 55, there's still a lot of work to do. In actual fact, we need to start going through the levels like this and then breaking through the 200 EMA and actually flipping it into support. Only then we start this daily uptrend. Of course, you could start going up before that confirmation of the daily uptrend, but we need to wait for the confirmation. Otherwise, any pumps into this resistance can lead it to a further dump, or even into that resistance leads to a further dump. But again, make sure you follow my Bitcoin video, because there's a key level of support that could hold Bitcoin up. I think that would mean Vechain coming back down to this trend line and holding this area over here. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment. All the links you need to join my Discord community to become a student, whether that's taking action on the course or the mentorship. You can private message me over my Twitter or take action through this or this link over here. Thank you guys.